Hello guys, so today we learn about Charnokite. So in this video we also talk about how Charnokite rock forms. So Charnokite is a quartz feldspathic rock containing hyperasthene actually. The name Charnokite was proposed by Holland to describe hyperasthene bearing granitic rocks of the Madras area. The same rock is used in tombstone of George Charnock, the founder of Kolkata. Composition. So Charnokite is a grainophase that contains hyperasthene, quartz and feldspar. It is frequently described as an orthopyroxene granite. Charnokitic rocks are commonly green. Both feldspar and orthopyroxene tend to have a greenish or brown hue, and quartz crystal may contain rutile needles which gives them bluish tinge. So as you can see in this thin section, uh, this is the greenish color which is of hyperasthene, and the bluish tinge is of rutile needles. So actually quartz crystal contain rutile needles, so because of that the bluish color is appeared here. The feldspar is actually in brownish color, as you can see here. The origin of Charnokite is both igneous and metamorphic process, but not at clearly defined. The Charnokite originally was assumed to have developed by the fractional crystallization of a silicate magma. Mostly granitoids and cyanide contain orthopyroxene plus quartz. All of these rocks names refer to igneous rocks, which makes it very logical to assume that Charnokite is just an igneous rock with a somewhat unusual composition. Subsequent studies have shown that many, not all, of the rock are metamorphic origin, formed by recrystallization at high pressures and moderately high temperatures. Charnokite are found in high-grade metamorphic terranes, granulite facies. So the constituent of the rock suggests of its origin in particularly dry and high temperature condition with almost water free. So Charnokite is actually showing both origin, means igneous and metamorphic, but concept is not clearly defined at. So the chemical composition and physical property of Charnokite is actually showing that the Charnokite is a granitic rock. St. Thomas Mount. So Charnokite St. Thomas Mountain, Chennai is a typical exposure of quartz feldspar hyperasthene rock characterized by presence of two pyroxene facies metamorphism. So St. Thomas Mount is actually exposed by Charnokite. So this whole hillock is of Charnokite actually.